Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to set pin in Windows 11 or Windows 10. You can use same settings in Windows 10 also. So let's start the video. In this video, we will show you 2-3 method. Uh, Using that, you can configure the pin. So let's start. Right click on a start menu, open settings. Once open, click on accounts, then scroll down. Click on this sign in options. Now click on this pin option, third option. Now you can set the pin from here. Enter your Windows password. Click OK. Now set the pin. It should be numbers. If you want to add any additional letter or any symbol, select this checkbox. I don't want right now. Click on OK. Now it will ask for Microsoft login. Login with your Microsoft account here. It may take some time here, depend on your internet speed. Okay, so it's done now. Okay, let's check whether it is showing or not. Close the settings and reopen and check whether pin set or not. Go to the same options, accounts, and then sign in option. Okay, it is done. Now we will sign out from the user, or after restart we can test it. So in this case I'll sign out. Once you reboot or sign out from your user, you will see this option, sign in option. Here it will show two options, password and pin. So with the password you can log in, or you can use the pin also for login. So let's test with our pin whether it is working or not. So it is working. We are logged in. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.